Hello again, and welcome to another in our series of videos for this channel for our partners and our customers. Uh, my name is Matthew Sharp, channel manager here at Net2phone. With me again today is Jason Tellis, and today we're going to review the AI Agent product. AI is a word that's brought up almost every day. I would say there doesn't go one day without someone asking me about AI, wanting to learn more about it. And of course, AI is different to everybody, but this AI agent product is meant to help build some efficiencies in your customers' business. Um, Maybe take some of the menial tasks out of some of your folks, um, and automate some of that. So today, Jason is going to help us understand the Net2phone AI agent product, and then we'll talk about a couple of case uses that we've seen for the AI agent. So, Jason, thanks again for jumping on, and I'm just going to hand you the keys to the car.
All right, appreciate that. I'm going to start off. I'm going to share my screen and jump right into Net2phone's AI agent. Just wanted to make sure you're able to see that, Matt.
Yep, we're good.
Great. Okay. So this is Net2phone's AI agent. I always start off with just explaining the functionality of this product. And one great thing is that this product is a standalone solution. So that means that it's not dependent on Net2phone's UCaaS or CCaaS solutions. This can definitely be layered into Net2phone's hosted PBX and our contact center solutions. So we can layer this in. It can work alongside with those solutions, but it can also work on its own. So it can be a standalone solution. So maybe a customer uses cell phones and they're okay with that right now. This can be used as a tool for that business that is okay with using a cell service for now, but then using Net2phone's AI tool. Also, this can be layered into a customer's existing on-premise phone system. So this can maybe a customer has the need of having a voice-enabled IVR where they would like the AI to actually be their auto attendant. So this has that capability, or maybe this is embedded within a customer's auto attendant. So when you call into the on-premise phone system, you get the auto attendant. Thank you for calling. Press 1 for sales. Press 2 for customer service. If you'd like more information about our business, press 3. And then when they press 3, it can forward into the Net2phone agent AI. And then also the agent AI can reroute that call and send it back to the phone system. So there's a lot of, as I give a demo, you're going to see like there's a lot of different use cases for this solution. And I think the benefit of it and what makes it so unique is that it's a standalone solution. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with it because it's not dependent on a hosted platform. It's not something where you have Net2phone's hosted PBX solution where you have 10 seats, and then if you want the AI functionality, you upgrade, like it's an add-on or an additional add-on license to have that functionality. So it doesn't have that. So this definitely works independently. So I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to log in here, and you'll see me log in. And so again, I went over a lot of the as far as the functionality, as far as what platforms it can work on. This is definitely you have the capability of using the AI agent for messaging, so web chat, email, text message, also voice. So definitely you have the ability to call into the AI tool as well and engage and interact with this. This is has the capability of integration, so it can integrate with an API. So definitely the ability for the AI to actually maybe pull data from a customer's platform or CRM. So maybe I'm a customer, I'm on your website, and I'm trying to get information about maybe an order or maybe a trouble ticket. I can engage with the AI, and it would actually do a data dip. It'll hit the CRM, pull that information, and provide it for me as well. So as integrations, definitely we have that capability. Voice enabled IVR, so calling in and saying, if you like sales, say sales or press one, sales, and then the AI agent will route the call. The ability to upload spreadsheets. So maybe you want to provide your customers information about maybe like items that you have in stock or inventory, or maybe you have a monthly or quarterly price list of materials. You have the ability to upload that spreadsheet within the AI, and the AI can provide that information as well. So with that said, I'm going to just give a demo and show you the AI tool, and also make a phone call into the AI so you can see that as well. But we're just going to start off. I'm just going to start off an engagement with the AI. And as you can see, I just said hello, and it's asking, how can I assist you today? And I'll just ask it, what can you do? It's going to provide information about services, pricing from the business website, schedule appointments. Okay, so what products do you provide? And typos, the AI knows, but here, please provide business website or more information. So as you can see, this is actually a pretty clear, and I'm going to show you something where the AI is responding, but the questions I'm asking it doesn't have any information for this. And one reason, we're going to go over to data, this is where you actually can train and feed the AI with information. And so our AI tool does not actively go out to the internet and search for information. It's dependent on the data that you provide it. And so you can manually put in data. So you can manually put in a data point. I asked, what products do you provide? This is not an auto dealer. We provide, I'll just give it a data point, provide vehicle pricing for Ford trucks. Let's just throw some stuff in there. And let's say Honda. Oh man, just Honda vehicles. So this is an example of a data point. And we'll go back to the AI. As you can see, data point added successfully. You also have the ability to, maybe a customer just wants to provide questions and answers for their customers about maybe their hours, business hours, maybe location. Maybe it's a restaurant where they have menu items. You can have the system also crawl a customer's website, where any data that's on those websites, it will use that as data points as well. So it'll reference that. So if I call in, or if I'm chatting or call in, I say, hey, what are your promotions for this week, or what menu items do you have, or how much is this? If that information is available on a customer's website, it'll pull that data point as well. You have the ability also to upload a CSV file. This is that spreadsheet where you can add data here. But as you can see here, we provide, this is the data point that I put in. So if we were to go back, now I ask it, what vehicles do you provide? So as you can see, here's that data point. We provide vehicle pricing for Ford trucks and Honda vehicles. So as you can see, this is just an example, a quick example of the data that you're feeding it, and that the AI, how it responds. I can choose another one here. Let's see if I can find one here. Here's a receptionist. So this can act as actually front desk receptionist. You definitely can call into this. You can message this, and then I can start that engagement. And then, as you can see, I'll ask it, what can you do? So it provides employee directory information, transfers calls, logs messages for employees. Can I get the number for John Doe? So it's checking the directory, and now it's providing, here's the phone number for John Doe. Can you leave a message for John? And this message here, it's going to ask me for my name. It's going to ask me probably for my phone number. Yes. And it's going to ask for permission. Please call me back. So as you can see, this could also be part of an integration where the message that I just left, it has the ability, we can integrate into maybe an email. So the AI can actually make this into an email or maybe even a text message, and it can deliver that message accordingly. And I'm going to ask it one more thing. Can you transfer me to John? So as you can see, it has that capability to confirm, would you like transferred? Yes. So it also has that ability to transfer. Now this is a web chat, so we can definitely provide information as far as like, please call this number or hit this link, etc. But if you were to call into this AI bot and you ask for a call transfer, that's when it can transfer that voice functionality for you. So with that, I wanted to really show you how we set up the AI, how we manage it. But as you can see, we have multiple use cases. I mean, we can set this up for, we set one up for like paging. And this one is set up for if customers were to call in or ask about our paging capability for Net2phone. So, what can you do, or what products do you provide for paging or ATAs? And so as you can see, this has a lot of information about paging or the equipment Net2phone provides, some unique solutions that we have for paging. So it can be used as a question and answer. So definitely, a customer can message or call in and ask these questions, or maybe even a partner can call in. We also have another one about, here's one for a pizza restaurant. So definitely having the AI scan the website, providing menu items, answering questions, maybe monthly events. Like we have a 4th of July event with free hot dogs and drinks between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. So being able to provide and assist the customer, instead of using resources, instead of calling in and your maybe the restaurant or a live person is answering these kind of mundane basic questions and taking up their time, the AI can do that for a customer or client as well. One thing as well, before I move on to the admin, under conversations, customers always ask like, well, can I get a history of those engagements? Yes, definitely. We store and save those engagements. So if you needed to go back and reference an engagement, as you can see, all messaging, so text message, email, and website, definitely it's available, and then voice as well. So if you call into it, it provides a transcription of that engagement or that conversation. You have the ability to download that audio file. You can listen to the audio file and also read that transcription as well. Going on to the admin here, I'll just select this one here. So as you can see here, definitely the ability to set up and really tell the AI what your duties are, what you're here to do. Also the ability to call in, so we can assign phone numbers. We have multiple voices that are available. We have multiple languages: Spanish, Portuguese, French, and then even multi-language where it's English, Spanish. So you definitely have those languages that are available that can be used. Also here, I'm going to make a phone call into the bot here. Yeah, I'm going to call that number here, 1516-347-2727. Make that call and just engage with, this is the receptionist bot here.
Hello. Thank you for calling the Net2phone AI receptionist. I can assist you with directory information and leave messages for employees or transfer your call. I can also answer questions about the Net2phone AI Agent. How may I assist you today?
Can I get John's phone number?
John's phone number is 197-331-44370. Would you also like his email address or need anything else?
Can you transfer me to John?
Just to confirm, you would like to be transferred to John, correct?
That is correct.
Transferring you to John now.
So as you can see, definitely the AI attempts to handle that call transfer. So as far as that's just a brief example of what that AI tool, as far as the voice engagement, can do. But you can also have dual use. So you can have the same bot, the receptionist, not only taking live calls, but also it can answer questions from your website. So you definitely can have dual use for each bot as well. So we have customers that have that, but also we have customers where maybe they want to really target and have the AI bot handle specific tasks, and then we can route those calls or those engagements accordingly, dependent on what the customer needs to know. Maybe like reservations. Maybe there's a bot specific that has an integration into maybe your customer platform that is actually referencing those appointments or reservations. But then you have another one that's specific on maybe menu items. So definitely you have that capability of providing multiple bots for different functions, or have one bot that handles really everything as well. So you definitely can be targeted on specific subjects, but also you can have a more broader generalized bot that handles multiple things as well. So with that, I'm going to hand it back to Matt and see if Matt has any questions for me.
Yeah, so Jason, you were talking about how it can store. Um, is there a varied amount of storage? Uh, and for how long?
Yeah, so there's no amount of storage, but we will store for 12 months. So you
12
will
months?
have one
Okay.
year of storage.
So, this product is so varied, right? I know it's hard for us to really pinpoint. A lot of our other products are a little bit easier to demo. I mean, it really comes down to each customer's probably going to have a different case use, case study, um, different need, right? Um, Even if they're in the same vertical. I know you and I are working on a restaurant that not only wants to schedule reservations, but also take any orders for carry out or takeout. And part of that data that comes in is coming in from their website. Um, so going back to my question about data, when you say data, it doesn't have to just be a CRM. It just has to be some sort of information that in some way you're feeding into our platform, right?
Yeah, exactly. And that's where the APIs come in from. So really, if you have let it be a POS system, especially for restaurants,
Okay.
ordering type system, but along with other types of systems that any business can use, as long as we can integrate and it has an open API, we have the ability to basically integrate and connect into that system. And so, there's a wide range of use cases. I haven't really I've seen a wide range, just from contractors, small business contractors, doctor offices, dental offices, restaurants, just attorney offices. I mean, you name it. It seems like every business has a use case for our AI agent, and the reason for that is because every business is unique. They all have their own unique needs, but definitely a lot of businesses see the benefit of having really just an added tool. This solution is not here to replace anybody. It's not to replace a physical person, a person, but it is here to make the business more efficient. Because a lot of times, what I hear is that uh, they feel like their employees are just bogged down on the phone answering questions,
Right.
or it's taking a lot of their time, and they feel the AI can handle maybe 50% of those calls, or answer 50% of those questions or inquiries. Hey, is my reservation set? Or, I just want to confirm this date. Am I still on the calendar for this? And so those types of things, where it can take, a receptionist takes a receptionist away from their actual duties or tasks, where the AI can come in and assist with that. And so that's where I'm seeing a lot of use cases. Businesses, they want to make it so their employees are more efficient, and they're not bogged down to handle some of these just, questions and answers, or referencing information that an AI can do for them.
And so, as we wrap it up, it really pertains to getting us on the phone with the customer, and we're going to ask some of those discovery questions to really pinpoint. A, we want to make sure that what they're looking to do we can offer. Um, B, we want to get it straight from the customer as to what their expectations are. And so it's important for us to be on the phone with our partner and our customer as we're diving into the AI agent. And we typically often will do a discovery call and take some notes. Um, we may do a second call to actually demo, but we do have an AI team that we take those notes, and they come back to us and give us kind of a thumbs up, thumbs down as to yes, what you're looking for is available, or no, it's not. And so, really, that first step is the discovery call. The second step is us taking those notes to our team, and the third step, if possible, would be to do that demo for that customer. Now, lastly, Jason, everybody gets a free trial, right? Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, definitely. Net2phone definitely provides a free trial. It's a 30-day free trial, where you can actually test it, use it, and see if it's a good fit for you. So definitely, that is available. We definitely have an onboarding team that is dedicated to our AI solutions. So definitely, you will be assigned an onboarder, and that is actually a developer, and they will work with you on the implementation. So we're not going to just hand this off to our customers and provide a little bit of training and here you go. We definitely assign that developer to your solution, to ensure that we meet your needs and the use case that you have.
Perfect. Well, Jason, thanks for jumping on and giving us a little bit of a peek into the Net2phone AI Agent product. Again, get us on the phone with you and your client, and we can start to dive into whether AI Agent's a good fit. Jason, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.
All right, thank you.